Hello and welcome back to Dominator 675, and today I'm doing another modelling video. Now this is the build update number 1 for the Douglas Dakota Mark III and Willys Jeep 172 Airfix kit. Now this is a build update, so I'm just showing you what I've managed to do so far since the last introduction video to the current build update, and I will do more build updates around once a week, maybe once every 2 weeks, depending on how much I've got to do in the model. Now, I've got up to step 16 where we've painted all of this, painted all of that, added the cockpit in together there and put fuselage along. Now, I didn't have much problem here apart from when I put those two fuselage pieces together, and I'll explain more on that in a few seconds. But the kit actually went very nice when I was building this main section here, and I'll put a photo on screen now. And then, as you can see, it was very nicely painted there. I didn't have any problems. I did have to sand a few sections, like the front bit here and that bit around there, because it was a bit sticky outy with the little bits, because it came out to spruce nicely, but it wasn't the best. The seats were a bit of a pain too, because you kind of need to make them go halfway up the windows, and you have a little gap over one of the windows. And I don't really see instructions. I've shown the instructions because it's now hidden on my model that I built. But if you can see along where my finger is, that long line there, and the lines along there, that is where this bit sits here. That bit there sits. And the issue is, it's not exactly the best way of having that bit put, because some parts you'll have that bit stuck in, and that bit popped out, and then you try to push that bit in, and then that bit will pop out. And the issue was, because aircraft are streamlined, aren't they? They're, I will try to show on this broken Gladiator, and get it out from underneath the lamp. They're streamlined, so they kind of bend round a bit, so they're big at the front and small at the back. So when you try and push something in at the front and push something in at the back, then it just completely ruins the sort of mechanism. And it works okay to an extent, but when you have inside bits here that are actually quite big compared to on a fighter, like the BF-109 that's hiding behind there, you kind of get an effect where the fuselage doesn't want to stick together as it should. It kind of leaves a massive hole at the front. People have been saying, oh, don't worry about it, it's just an aircon hole. Yeah, but it doesn't look the best. So there are a few ways you can deal with this. You can either leave it as it is and have a massive hole in the front of your aircraft, which I don't like doing, to be honest. You can use the glue fibres and pull them across to hopefully try and merge that together. But I've ordered some milliput online on Amazon, and it's not coming anytime soon, probably in about a week or so. So I'm not going to be able to continue building the Dakota right now. Now, as I said, the insides fit rather nicely, and I'm just going to show you the bit where I meant to leave there. You've got the that bit there which holds bits in there, but it actually looks a really nice kit right now, and the insides are rather easy to paint. I mean, it's a shame because there's so much detail hidden behind inside there. You can't see it right now, I know, but there's so much detail hidden around inside there that you just never get to see when you finish the model. It's such a shame, but it's honestly a really nice kit. You do have to do quite a bit of sanding for this kit, which I was surprised about actually, but other than that, it's pretty good so far as of number 16 in the instructions. Now that's it for build update number 1, and I will be doing build update number 2 when I get the further ways through and the milliput arrives. Due to the fact that it might not arrive in some time, I am going to make a Dakota history video too, to explain the history of the Dakota and the C-47 Skytrain. I hope you all enjoyed that build update, and it's given you a little bit of an idea how far I'm doing and the issues with some pieces in this kit. If you did like the video, please be sure to subscribe, and if you want to support and want to see more of these videos, please hit that like button, as it really does help me know what I need to do. Put your thoughts in the comment section and what you enjoyed and what you think you want me to put more in these videos. Thank you. You have been watching Dominator 675, and I will catch you in the next one. Until then, goodbye.